Lobby. The starting point of your campus adventure, the lobby is where you'll meet student ambassadors eager to show you the Chamberlain experience. The Commons. Dive into the heart of campus life at the Commons. This vibrant hub buzzes with activity, offering a cozy nook for every student. Whether you're looking to collaborate on a project, dive into a new book, or just chill with friends over coffee, this is your go-to spot. Plus, with tasty treats within easy reach, it's the perfect place to fuel your campus adventures. SIMCARE Center. Step into the future of healthcare at the SIMCARE Center. Here, you'll be at the forefront of medical innovation, mastering patient care through high-stakes simulations that mirror real-world challenges. From the miracle of childbirth to the adrenaline rush of emergency scenarios, gain the confidence to lead with compassion and skill. SIM Bay. Encounter the cutting edge of simulation in the nursing bay. With high-fidelity mannequins that mimic real patient responses, you'll practice in a risk-free setting that prepares you for real-world nursing. Prep room for sim. Fully stocked and ready for action, the prep room is your behind-the-scenes area for simulation setup, complete with all the essentials. Skills Lab. Sharpen your clinical prowess in Chamberlain's state-of-the-art Skills Lab. Surrounded by cutting-edge technology and lifelike mannequins, you'll transform theoretical knowledge into hands-on expertise. Flexible open lab sessions mean you can hone your skills on your schedule, ensuring you're prepared for whatever nursing throws your way. Science Wet Lab. Immerse yourself in the microscopic world in our Science Wet Lab. With state-of-the-art equipment and intimate learning stations, you'll explore the building blocks of life and unlock the secrets of the human body. Classroom. Engage in interactive learning in our classrooms, featuring flexible setups and modern AV equipment for an immersive educational environment. Library. A quiet haven for solo or group study, the library is where concentration and collaboration coexist, complete with resources for every academic endeavor. Study room. Whether you're studying solo or brainstorming with a group, our study rooms offer a focused environment equipped with all the tools you need for academic excellence. Testing Center. Your gateway to a future in nursing starts at the Testing Center. Take the crucial HESI A2 assessment here, with 2 chances to succeed and join the ranks of Chamberlain's esteemed program. The Wellness Center. For new mothers, the Wellness Center offers a peaceful, private haven. It's a warm and welcoming space to nourish and bond with your baby, equipped for comfort and convenience. Student Organization Conference Room. A hub for student leadership. This room is where organizations come together to plan, discuss, and inspire change.